if you want to improve your knowledge in the area of OHS management systems. Are you looking for the best platform to take ISO 45001 to 2018 Lead Auditor Training? You've come to the right place in that case. Let me now explain the course description to you. This Lead Auditor Training course aims to develop the necessary expertise in participants to perform and lead external audits of occupational, health and safety management system for any organization on behalf of any certification bodies by applying internationally accepted audit principles, procedures and techniques in compliance with ISO 19011 guidelines for audits. As ISO 45001 to 2018 standard has replaced the earlier version of OHSAS standard ISO 18001, it becomes imperative for lead auditors to fully understand each clause and subclause of the new standard. This ISO 45001 to 2018 Lead Auditor Training online course comprises in the following 9 sessions. Overview of course and standard. ISO 45001 requirements. ISO 45001 documented information. Hazard, risk identification. Risk management. ISO 45001 audit process. Audit terms and definitions and roles and responsibilities. Performing an ISO 45001 audit. Nonconformity and corrective action. This is the module that is included in this online course. E-learning with audio presentation. Handouts in PDF format. Sessions and final exam. Training certificate. These are the dominant features of an online course. Cost and time efficient. Fast and effective. Convenient and flexible. Anywhere and anytime training. Thank you for watching our video. Please contact us at sales@panyamacademy.com or visit www.panyamacademy.com. If you have any queries,